Here we can see two screws. This will come off like this. I have already loosened this, so here are those. And then after these two, you might have to remove this part from here to get to the screws. After that, this palm rest will come off, this part. So this palm rest comes off like this. You pull off here and like pinch from here like this. It might seem a bit sketchy, but it might seem like it will break, but it won't. So here's the part, and after that we have to remove the buttons. This whole thing is a single part. As you can see, these are connected here, so this whole part will come off. There are two clamps here, one here and one here. This will need to be removed, moved for these to come off. So let's try. First I'll try this one and push from here with this one, I guess. As you can see, it came off, and here's another one. So this came off, and thus the whole buttons will come off. Then there are two screws here, one here and one here. I'll try to remove them now. Here's one. Oh shit. Here's another one. Then this part will come off. There's no wires attached here. And then you can clean your wheel. My wheel was squeaking and it was making sound, so I cleaned it with some lubricants. I just added some lubricants and held here and rotated the wheel like this, and then on the other part like this. Before that, you have to remove this screw here to remove the mouse wheel LED. As you can see, the LED is in there. This part will simply come off, and then you can clean the wheels. So my wheels are not making any sounds anymore. It used to, so everything is fine. And then I will get back to the reassembly. Oh shit. So same as before, the two screws go in here and here. Like this. And then the palm rest right here, and everything is done. You just have to put these two screws back.